or what you want to do with us. So we are calling this section a bonding section. Okay, so we are going to start now. Please, there will be someone with a list, for your name and what. First of all, we're going to talk about which course you're interested in. That is, if you are already in the digital space, we're going to talk about the course you're interested in. And if you are not, we're going to talk about why you need our services and why you need to work with us. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing in this section in the next 5 minutes. Yes. All right, so we'll start from myself and then we'll move this way, right? And this way and this way. Yes. Okay, so my name is Aneke Godwin Iloegbunam. And I'm privileged to lead the team here at Plugstuck. Okay, I want to appreciate the team, the amazing and awesome people in our team that have put in all this. I mean, they are the reason why we are here. From Peter Collins to Joy, Oji, to Toby, to Toyo, to Balogun, to Alex. I want to say a big thank you. To Tosin too. Tosin, can you say hi? Stand up. Let me introduce Tosin. Okay, so there's a story with Tosin. Tosin is 12 years old. Tosin started learning programming with us at 11. When she was 11 years, she learned markup and that's HTML, CSS. And now I think she's going to the next course. And she's in SS1, right? She'll be going to SS1. She just finished her junior WAC. So please, if you're here and you have a child or you're a young person here, it's never too late. And she's a girl. She's very smart. One of the smartest we've trained. In fact, I recall every time we went to their house for the trainings. It was that serious. We had to leave to go to the house because the parents requested we did the training. And she's been brilliant. Tosin, welcome. All right, so we celebrate every one of us here. We've been doing this since 2018. We've been running trainings from campuses down to states and all that. So this is like our biggest yet in Portharcourt. So we want to say thank you for being a part of this amazing time, for being a part of this maiden edition. Thank you so much. And to the team, you're the best. You're the best. All right. Yes. So we are going to go quickly from you to you, sir, to you, and that. So quickly, in just 1 minute, tell us your name, tell us what you do, and tell us what you're interested in doing with us. A partnership, whether you want a service, whether you want to work with us in any way. Okay? I don't know if that's clear. Is it clear enough? All right. Is it clear enough? Yes, you can sit down, please. Just tell us your name and that. Follow that pattern. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Precious Ihinacho. Hello, everyone. My name is Precious Ihinacho. I am a story writer. That's my profession. I write stories. I would like to have your services on website design because a lot of my readers would want to have a website. They have been asking me to get a website, so I would want that, and I also want training on blogging. I like to have a blog too. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Precious. Thank you. Please, a round of applause for her. Thank you so much. Yes.
Good day, house. I am Desmond Okechukwu, a civil engineering graduate, though I teach for now. Though I want to advance my career with project management training.
Okay.
With the house, coupled with website design. Thank you.
Oh, awesome. Beautiful. Project management and website. Please, David, are you taking notes? Precious, content writer. She's going to do blogging training, right? And what else? And websites. Okay. And Desmond Okechukwu, project management and websites. Okay, beautiful. All right, sir. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Shaya Degroye. I'm a full stack developer and a 2D artist. Can you hear me? So my name is Shaya Degroye. I'm a full stack developer and a 2D artist. So personally, I would like to ask if you guys have any form of internship for people who are developing their skills in programming, and I would probably like to be involved in that. That's it.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you. I didn't hear your name, sir.
Shayo.
Shayo. Okay, Shayo. Okay. Shayo says he would like to know if we have an opening, right, for internship. Okay, for people who are coming up in programming. Shayo, please take note. Internship in programming for people who are coming up. Beautiful. Thank you, Shayo. All right, sir.
My name is Onya Bertrand. I'm a student of Air Force Secondary got here. I love building things, and I also want to find out whether you guys do teach students on how to do programming in CSS. Thank you.
All right, beautiful. Bertrand, okay, he would like to know if he would like to learn, right, programming and programming basically. Bertrand. All right, beautiful. The next person.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, please speak into the mic like directly like this.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
My name is Jeffrey Akeze. I'm a student of Air Secondary School, Portharcourt, and I would like to learn how to develop and design a website.
Okay, learn how to develop and design a website. Jeffrey Akeze, beautiful. Next, please.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
My name is Akeze Raymond, and I'm a student of Uniport, and I also want to learn programming and website designing too.
Okay, beautiful. You love to learn programming and website designing. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Falade Israel, and I'm a student of Air Force Secondary School, Portharcourt, and I would like to learn programming and coding.
Okay, love to learn programming and coding. Yeah, Falade, right? Okay, so Falade was, I think, the best in River State for JAMB. I said JAMB for what? WAEC, right? JAMB. Okay, so the best in River State for JAMB, right? I mean, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So his dad was my further maths teacher in Air Force. Yes, his dad was my further maths teacher, Balogun and Peter. We all attended Air Force together, secondary school. So please, in case you want your child to do awesome, Air Force is the place to be. And the commandant is supposed to be here, but I think the rain. We invited him personally. So I mean, this is beautiful. Okay, thank you so much. You're welcome once again. All right, next person.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Clinton. I'm a student of Air Force Secondary School, Portharcourt. I would like to learn coding and programming. Thank you.
Oh, beautiful. Clinton. I love the boldness. You're so bold, eh? All right, next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Godwin Iloegbunam.
Please speak into the mic like this.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Godwin Iloegbunam. I'm from Air Force Secondary School, Portharcourt. I would like to learn coding and animation.
Okay. Did you get that? David, did you hear what he said? His name. Okay. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oden Isaac, and from Air Force Secondary School, Portharcourt. And I would like to learn programming.
Okay, programming too. Mayo, welcome. Just introduce yourself. Tell us your name, Ma, and what you want to do with us. Okay. But Ma, I would love to know your name. Just introduce yourself, please.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good
My
afternoon.
name is Mrs. Faustina Frank. I'm an observer.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Ma.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rina Frank, and I'm a digital marketer at Novatrade Services, but I want to learn user interface and user experience.
Oh, awesome. Beautiful. User experience and user interface. Awesome. Okay, the next. Okay, so something about user experience and user interface design is this. You know, when we hear websites, we just feel like it's a combination or a compilation of text, pictures, and videos, right? But the truth is, before a website is born or formed or created or programmed, you have to have a design, like a layout, okay? You have to have a blueprint. So basically, what user experience and user interface designers do is to come up with the blueprint that the programmers or the designers or the developers will work with to produce the website. Okay, that's why you see the difference between poorly designed websites and excellent designed websites, right? Yes, the difference is in the user interface and the user experience design. All right, one has a blueprint, the other does not have a blueprint. It's like you're building a house. One has a building plan, and the other does not. You don't expect the same results. Yes, so I just had to chip in that. So Tosin, you're with us, but let's still hear you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oluwatosin Ajitumobi. I'm a student, and I would like to learn. I like to finish my CSS3 and my W3 CSS.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, awesome, awesome. So she love to continue with us. Okay, ma.
Okay, hi everyone.
Hello. Welcome.
I am Lara Ajitumobi by name. I'm a school owner, but I like to go into digital marketing. So that's why I'm here.
You're welcome, ma. You're welcome. Please, a round of applause for her. You're welcome, ma. Okay, sir. Please, let's get to meet you. We want to meet you.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone here.
Welcome.
I'm Calabo Emmanuel. I'm a farmer. That's poultry farming. But I am here to know, and now I've gotten something. I want to learn web designing and programming.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, a round of applause. A round of applause. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, that before I come to you, I want to say something about this. You know, there's really no age gap when it comes to learning. Because I read somewhere online, I think she was 50-something years or 60-something, and she just finished a certain course on programming. She's a mother with children. I think 50-something years online. I was like, whoa, 54. She was celebrating it, that she's finally had this dream and this passion of wanting to learn. So please, it's never too late for whatever you want to learn. It's never too. It's all in your mind. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Daddy, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. My name is Zerogo Collins. I would describe myself as a patron of Plugstuck. So I like to.
A round of applause, please. This is Peter Collins' dad, and it's been awesome. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Collins Chinedu. I came to support and stand by Plugstuck.
You're welcome. This is Peter Collins' mom too. Please, a round of applause. Welcome, man. All right. Okay. This is everyone. Sir. Yes. So let's meet you. Okay, so let me do his introduction briefly before he comes up. I think he's coming up after me. So this is our scientist and inventor. His name is Mr. Aneke Godwin Iloegbunam. Mr. Godwin is going to come up now shortly, and he's an inventor and scientist in Nigeria and Africa at large. He's been to WAEC's office to make a lot of WAEC National to make a lot of presentations. He's come up with instruments that can measure projectile motion. He's actually invented an alternative system to gas cooker. This system runs on ethanol. I mean, he's going to be showing us a lot. I'm just giving us a list of things he's going to be showing us. So, you're welcome, sir. Yes, he's coming up next. So, don't introduce yourself till you get to the stage. Please, a round of applause for Mr. Godwin Aneke Iloegbunam as we call him up to